Hi, Nas here from NasTime Productions. Just a quick video. I want to show you a little job that I finished yesterday. Adding a little table to the back of my car, just for cooking and that sort of stuff while I'm camping. Just a nice little workspace. Let's have a look. Just a quick video of table that I put together yesterday, just to give me a little bit of extra prep space when I'm out camping. I've got the Titan drawers here from the 4-wheel drive Supercentre, so I was able to utilise the existing holes in the unit, so you'll show that in a sec. So basically that's a 30 to 40 centimetre checker plate, 3mm checker plate. You could probably go a little bit heavier if you like, but that was out of a marine hatch that I installed on my camper trailer, so it worked out quite good. Vary the size a little bit, you can kind of see there from your own fridge how it fits. The whole unit still moves with the sliding access to the fridge. There you go. Just a nice little table there, a little bit of extra storage on one side and prep side on the other, preparation space on the other. So as you can see there, I've used the existing holes, which makes it really strong. I thought I was going to need some support underneath, but no, it's actually folds down, and if you had a thicker check plate then there's no chance of that bending, but that's pretty good support. So I do have a little bit of extra prep space here too when the dog's not in the back. As you can see, it's quite handy. You do have to be careful that you leave yourself enough space to open the thing, because I did drill a couple extra holes because stuffed that up the first time. So learn from my mistakes and enjoy.